Itko ria rero nigo aborkigwa emilion monu gutaisatu kurwa asensemeria Kenya Primary School Education Assessment was KPSEA banyakabo ikaransa amatemu abo amanene kurwa aschinsemo ime na isko yorongro gusi.
The NEC has added as one more container. We are going to have a total of 14 containers within the county.
Mambia rero nigo omuwaziri w'esemi Muske Julius Ogamba Migosi anyakaba okwanekia kuigurwa gwe kontina ya amatemu ayenyakaba guchakali tukuria rero nagotemuna niga serikali ebegetemero bulisaine yokonekinga abarukigwa abaiga ngo kibari konyora oburendi boisaine.
We are all ready. The hotspot areas have been mapped. We are ready to undertake these examinations, including areas that have had skirmishes like in Tana River. We managed to make arrangements for the students who are from the affected schools to be hosted in security camps like the GSU camp for them to be able to undertake the examination. So no student is going to be left behind.
Morikyo botambe ase wizara yitsemi Muskebelio Kipsang nigo nerebo igo nyakobo kwanekia okugurwa gwe kontina ya matemu emambia rero asabereka otemuna niga serikali ebegetemero bulisaine yogochia gokinia ebirengo bya amasomo nagotemuna nigo barachie kurigereria kwanekinga matemu aiga abirika okorwa asenchira yekene nobwasi oku.
As teachers, whether we shall be objective or that we could have been, there was possibility that we could be subjective in the way that we are going to assess our children. But the last two summative assessments that we have done, in comparison with the school-based assessment, the formative assessment that you did, there was quite, it was reflective. The abilities of children were reflective. And therefore, we say thank you. And that's why going forward, we would want to make this really a school-based, a school and teacher-based management of this summative 40% assessment.
Kurwa ase chinsemo imense ya Kenya nigo boigo egati yabateneri amatemo iga akipsea banyakaba konekia okwigurwa gwe container asebabiro otemuna niko bolendi bwabirbo konekigwa boisaine elikonekinga aborokigwa baigango kibari konyora chinga kichinyororo erigo ikaransa asamatemo abo asenchira yabene.
Our candidates are ready, our center managers are ready, and the teachers are also ready, and we do not have any cheating. This is an assessment, so we want to see how much the learner has achieved.
We are working together with all the agencies to make sure that the exams are delivered and they are credible as the government has planned. And we are sure that the exams are going to be credible. Nobody has an intention or making any attempt to, make the discredit the exam. So we ask the parents, teachers, everybody and all the stakeholders that we join hands to make sure that the exams are
abange nigo baganiria aborokigubonsi bali abagendrete amona matemu abamane yakira sige 12 KPSEA na dia achakaritkolia rero a Kenya Primary School Education Assessment amaya mninchiremo yokone kinga babirba ukinia ebirengo bya amasomo.
Otherwise, we wish our candidates the best of luck as they continue with the exams, and we also ask our members of public to help us deliver exams in a more credible way